It has been a crazy last couple of days, but my friends, we have some good news. Hey everyone, welcome to Chai and Coaching. This is Rob, and I know the news has been shocking for all the international students in America about the new government regulations about visas and fall 2020 classes online. I've already made a video kind of laying out all that initial information. Be sure to check that out. But now I want to give you guys an update. There's been changes, there's been new information, and good news. We're going to cover what colleges are doing to support you guys. We're also going to talk about jobs like CPT and OPT and the impact of those kind of things. So yeah, hopefully this is going to be encouraging. This is going to clear up some more information for you. So yeah, check it out. Friends, thanks so much for tuning in. I hope you're not panicking. I've got some cold coffee today because it's a hot Texas summer day, so cold coffee is on the menu for today, trying to support our local businesses still. But I want to give you guys a quick update about what's been going on. You guys, I love that the colleges are fighting for you guys. I know when it feels like people are against you, there's so many supporting you. One of the biggest things, I love it, is Harvard and MIT are literally suing the Trump administration, putting legal action against these new announcements and visa restrictions. So I love all the other things that colleges are doing right now. One thing that's kind of ironic is I saw someone post this tweet from 2015, how Donald Trump is basically saying he wants international students to stay and is advocating for them to stay in America, and totally contradicts what's happening now. This is really confusing, really frustrating. Yeah, a lot of us are on your side, cheering you on, also upset about these things. So we've got your back. We got empathy for you guys. Here's just a couple screenshots and examples of things that I've posted, shared, and found. Here in Dallas, the University of Texas at Dallas and University of Texas at Arlington are, showing their support and voicing that they're fighting for you guys. I know UTD just did a webinar today trying to clear up things, and they're really working hard, communicating, advocating for students, bending over backwards. We've got some information here from Pace University, an email a student sent showing what's going on, what the options are, giving good communication, offering to help students. Got another message from a student showing what the University of Indiana is doing, from Arizona State University as well. So many colleges are reaching out, advocating, communicating, leading, fighting for you guys, which is awesome. Thanks to everyone who's been sharing and updating as well. And again, the biggest consensus is most universities are adjusting to hybrid, which means you won't have to leave. The majority of your classes will be available to be in person. You can do some online to meet these requirements. Again, you can do one online class or for 3 credits to still be eligible to stay in America without leaving. Also, you can stay in your home country and take online classes as a current student, as an incoming student. That will not affect your enrollment or your status. It's also been made clear based on research and talking that if you are in your home country now this spring semester, that won't impact coming in the future, that you're still eligible to keep your F1 status or apply if you're a new student and get your visa and come in the spring semester or future times once it's safe to travel. So don't worry, online classes in your home country are not a bad option, and just about every college in America is working really hard to keep you guys here. I've heard universities are creating whole new curriculums, structures, classes, meeting rooms, trying to basically find loopholes and fight and adjust and adapt for you guys. So that is so exciting. Be encouraged, have hope, don't lose faith. I know you guys are discouraged, but we've got your back. I love what Colombia University said. I know that universities don't have all the answers, but the one thing is clear is they're going to fight for you guys. They're going to advocate, they're going to stand with you guys. So be encouraged. One thing that's really important is I found this FAQ document, frequently asked questions about the ICE policies. And so be sure to check that. I'm going to have the link in the description. It's a big, long PDF document. I'm not going to put all the screenshots because it's just too much information, but check that out. It's really detailed. It's information for students and the universities. You're going to get a lot of your questions answered there. So yeah, be sure to check that out. Link is going to be in the description. I'll probably put it in the comments too. Another really important thing you guys can do is speak up. You guys have a voice. There's been a petition going around. I'll put the link for the petition. I've signed it. I think it's already crossed over the 100,000. I think it's doubled at least. Let's get that, signed. Let's share that. Let's show your support for each other. I want people to show the importance of you guys and that we don't want you guys to leave America. So petitions are a great way to advocate for yourself. Along with colleges adjusting to become hybrid to help you guys out, other things that are happening that are becoming more flexible is I know the I-20. So I think now they're making it where I-20s can be done digitally. You can scan them, sign them, and then submit them digitally versus hard copy. So hopefully that's going to be more helpful. Double, triple check with that on your universities. And also I know that with different travels coming in and out, new I-20s might have to be reissued. So again, I'm not an expert on that kind of stuff, but double, triple check with your college, with the University International Student Office, whether you're going to need a new I-20 to leave or come back to America, especially if you're studying in your home country. You don't want to show up at the airport and not be let in because you have an old or not relevant I-20 with the new situation. So really be sure you've got the correct I-20 you need for traveling to or from America. A really good news is the jobs, that OPT and CPT jobs aren't really going to be impacted at all. If you are in an OPT job, optional practical training, after graduation, that's not impacted. Even if it's a remote job, that is okay. As long as you are working and the company is sponsoring you and everything's legit, there's no changes with OPT and CPT as well. You can still do CPT, you can do remote CPT, and based on what I read, it says you can do remote CPT in your home country. So that is exciting news. Yeah, again, clarify that with your college, always double check, but based on what I read, online CPT is available, online CPT in your home country is even available, and also remote on-campus jobs are still available as well. So the on-campus jobs that you've done before, which you can't do in person, remote ones are still allowed under these new laws. All these were in that FAQ document, so double check that. That's really good news. And another really good news about the jobs is that online classes will not hurt you for your CPT and OPT status. So if you study online back in your home country, that still counts towards your 1 year that you need to complete to be eligible for CPT or OPT jobs. So again, studying online, studying in your home country does not hurt, but still counts towards your CPT and OPT qualifications. So that is great news. Be confident in that. Again, double check with your college's international student office, but that's great news. So I'm excited. I love that colleges are fighting for you. I love that you guys have options. I know it's hard with international travel being closed, visa offices being closed, but I think it's going to go on. Obviously, you know, if coronavirus gets worse, that's going to be a whole other tricky situation later this fall. But in the meantime, you guys are going to be okay. Most of you guys can just stay at your university. Hopefully, won't have to transfer. Again, the best person to ask your questions to is your college, is your international student office. They're the ones that can help and guide you the most. Most of the questions that I've gotten, again, I've had to refer people back in the comments or in text and say, hey, ask your college. They're going to know the best. Read the FAQ document as well from ICE in the link in the description. One thing I want to ask you guys is, how has your college responded? This is our chai question for the video. Let us know in the comments, but how has your college responded to the new regulations for fall 2020? Have they been supportive and helpful? Have they been crazy and scrambling? Have they not said anything? So yeah, let us know. Is your college fighting for you guys? Have they been absent? Let us know and share in the comments, and let's see how different colleges are working for their international students. All right, I think I've covered the basics. I think we've got a lot of good news for you guys. Online classes in your home country are going to be okay. Most colleges are going hybrid or providing the required online classes for students to stay. They don't have all the answers, but they're working to make it work for you guys. So that's really encouraging. Let me know if you guys have any other comments in the question, or DM me on Instagram or LinkedIn. Here to help you guys as much as I can. There's lots of other great videos out there by other YouTubers. Be sure to share those, check those out. A lot of my friends are creating great content as well, and I'd love to support them. Again, here at Shine Coaching, we got your guys back. We want to see you guys thrive and succeed. I'm really sorry about just how hard this is for you guys. You know, it's like salt in the wound during this pandemic, but we're going to get through this. We're cheering you on. We're praying for you guys, and we want to help however we can. Let us know, and together we're going to get through this. Y'all take care. Cheers.